Yo homies, this is the Alan G. Walker, also known as the Demon King, and this is the Pokemon Masters EX. I promised you all to get the gameplay video soon, so I bought it. This is the gameplay of the Pokemon Masters EX. In this video, I'll be telling you how to play it, how to download it, and what are the basic features. Wow, Sentient Komoa of the center. So, trainer and Pokemon which can be used in a battle. 3-on-3, 3 versus 9, 3 versus 12. These kind of battles are common in this game. You have to just battle on the strongest and become the strongest. Become strong. So, Zinc pairs unlock level cap. You can unlock their level caps above 100 till 100. It's already open, then open it till 130, so level up. You can use sync pairs as much as you want. So I'm going, and this is, you can level up books in this game to level up your sync pairs. I'm just going to show you a little, like I did it from 85 to 88. It is happening, and it's leveled up. Norman till 88. He's the worst striker in the game. I did it just for an example. I didn't wanted him in my team. So you are wondering how can I get so many sync pairs? This is the way. Some get from the main story in the free team up, while some we have to get it from the scout. And scout can be done using paid gems or non-paid gems. Sorry guys, it was scout. I mispronounced it. My tongue was slipping. So you can scout for sync pairs. Unfortunately, I do not have proper gems, but you can use paid gems, non-paid gems as per your wish. I'm a non-paid gems player, so I downloaded this game on July 7, this 2020. In 2020, July 7. So get some explore. So main story. In this we have the main story which has 27 chapters. You would be wondering what is this PML, Pokemon Masters League. So the host of this league is our rival Leer of this game, who is the host of the PML and who has a huge will for battling that is known as the battle. Well, I'll be showing you that. So chapter 1, more merrier, and this is chapters. So you'll get a free team up till 18 chapter with the boss like it's Rola, Koga, Nanu, and Viola, Claire, Flint, Hal, Signusuit, Brock. So some sync pairs only get Signusuit. Like then we get a free team up with Callum and with Valerie then. And then with Mulan. The future is now. So, and this was one of the difficultest mode to play. So, Champion Stadium, complete chapter 10 and open it. First finish the Kanto Challenge on normal 1. So I'm just going to show you in battle example how to do this. So I think I'll bring only one. My favorite sync pair of this game. My Zekrom. Strike. Electrics. And it's Zekrom into the center. Let me remove all other sync pairs. Rosa. Bye bye. Bye bye Lisa. And we'll be only battling against them. Required level is 45, but I have bought till level 125. So you can imagine how easy it would be to compete him. But required level is not the only thing. Always bring the Pokemon or the trainer greater than its level. Level 45 is just a mark to begin. At least you have to bring for level 80 to almost just kill Blue. He's a kind of champion. So, and his entry free bull. It means do not charges for the move gauge. Whoa, it's pretty affecting, man. Boom, kill everyone, kill everyone. Let me show you Sync move. It's the move that charges with the attack. These are trainer moves, and this is the Pokemon attack move which affect the opponent. Reminding you guys that some of the trainer moves also lower the stats of our Pokemon also. So affecting Zekrom is killing the opponents. Bolt Strike, boom! Crobat fainted. So this was a kind of a battle. It's a pretty easy one. I'll show you some difficult one in one of my videos, which will be a surprise to you all. The co-op battles. Oh, reminders from the co-op battles that you can battle in co-op mode too. Co-op mode is very difficult. I want to tell you guys. Complete chapter 11 and open it. Co-op mode. I have already completed all the chapters in co-op. You'll facing all the bosses and 3 to 4 levels almost. Yeah. And 4 levels for this. Some have 3, some have even 2. And EX Plaza, it's pretty strong. These trainers become pretty strong when they come in EX Plaza. They're very strong to battle against. So Battle Villa is also available in co-op. Battle Villa, I haven't showed this. It is the best part of the game. Battle Villa, I love this. This is the Leer's Villa, our opponent, our rival, the villain of this game, Leer. So finish big halls like it's hall 5, hall 10, hall 15, hall 20. Maximum have finished till hall 25 once. I only know how lucky was I at that time that I got the best sync pair at that time till Gloria. So events, these are the events, egg type events. You glitch egg, you hatch them in the incubators and you'll receive a new Pokemon. Pure Hearts and Rainbow Wings, you get legendary events in which you can just what shall I say? Get a free team up with a legendary Pokemon. Season's greeting at a seasonal event. Ideal formula from this event. And came in a Pokeforce Scout and I got a double trouble blasting off again. Jesse and James get a special chance to team up with them. Jesse is pretty strong. And then there comes to the biggest difficulty of the game, the legendary arena, and all the challenges are closed. Why? I'm gonna just show you an example. So anyway, it's pretty difficult to defeat them. Almost 30 think pairs you get to defeat it once, 3 energy bars which are really big. Above 20 to 30,000 energy is there in one bar, but you can defeat them with the effective types. So it's a training area. Collect items to level up, unlock level caps, and evolve your Pokemons. So why doesn't it opens at once? So Sync Orbs used to activate Sync Grid. Remember it. Remember it. You need to have hand. These are the evolutionary drills we can compete against, and to get the evolution stones, you were wondering what we will doing with them. So then comes to the evolution part of time. When you ever get a sync pair, you can do a day with it, like I have done for silver and all my sync pairs. And if your Pokemon in your team has a Pokemon which can evolve, required level for first evolution is 30, and then second is 45. So it's for Crocodile's evolution, like it's there. I have already evolved it into a Feraligatr, so it's not at all needed. I just wanted to tell you guys how to evolve it. So Claire, Janian, Will, Karen, Brendan, he's my favorite, man. He's one of the favorite Pokemon Sceptile, and he just killed the opponent today morning versus Bruno. Onyx was just smashed off, man. It was too difficult for him to stand off. And one more thing, the game also has 6-star EX sync pairs, which, if are strike, their sync move hit to all opponents, sync moves the most effective one, and it becomes pretty strong. So if I show you, I'm currently working on an EX for Skyla, which has been launched by the game. Let me filter it for 3-star, as it's a 3-star only when it was introduced. Why the heck? Okay, main character, I selected it. Skyla is here, so sync move level is 2 out of 5. Get her custom power-ups as a report rally is going on now, when will ends in mid of February almost. So going at EX will be there for Skyla, and I will seriously gonna enjoy it. For EX making, you must have these champion sports. So I'm gonna show you, this is my bag, all these items I have in my bag. What, 96? Yes, I can unlock a Sync Pearl level cap. Fire, ground, I can do it, man, I can do it, yes! Skill spheres used to level up type skills, and power-ups. Oh, I had 1-star power-ups. 40 champ sports. Defeat Elite 4 champion, get 5 of them, so these are the cloths and the tissues for making our sync pairs stronger during the battle. This is the kind of a special item. I need to collect evolutionary stones, they're pretty less. So, special events, greetings, I have a lot of items left in my event, Iox. So, sync stones, sync orbs, which I have 100 for Holly the Lily. I don't have it. Why? Sashin has so many. I must exchange it for other ones also. So, a few things are left, guys. We'll be continuing them in the next video. Till next time, stay super. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Stay super. In the Demon King style, Alan G. Walker. Bye-bye, guys. See you soon.